Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve number pad not working in Windows 11 computer. Let's fix it guys. For that, go to search menu and type control panel. Click on open it. Select view by to category. Select easy of access. Select easy of access center. Scroll down. Select make the keyboard easier to use. Click on it. And if in your device turn on mouse keys or check mark to over here, you just want to uncheck this box, and that's the problem you are facing it guys. You just want to uncheck the box turn on mouse keys, and after unchecking it, click apply and OK. After doing it, close out of here, your problem will be resolved. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.